the heart of the Amazon rainforest lies a river that defies belief. It's not just warm, it literally boils. This is the Shetty Tupishka, also known as Lavava, a 4-mile stretch of water. So hot it can cook anything that falls into it. Local legends spoke of this place for centuries, a sacred site guarded by powerful spirits. For a long time, scientists dismissed these stories, thinking a volcanic source would be needed to heat such a large body of water